This is my Phoenix Model BAE HAWK, and I'm running the servo extensions through the fuse. The thrust tube will be here and it'll go around the turbine, so figuring out how to do this the right way was really hard to do. This is how I plan on doing it, so check it out. So this is what I'm using. It's a silicone coated fiberglass insulated sleeve. This is what the inside looks like. All right, and the specs are in the video. I have this running to the front of the plane. I have these metal clips. I'll include those in the video. So I'm clipping my heat shield to the side of the fuse and running it to the front of the plane, and then back into the back where you can see there. And then, and then I'm going to coat it with aluminum foil tape, and I think that's going to be good. Again, you know, if you have any suggestions, let me know. I'm going to wrap everything in the back here with the, again, with the aluminum foil tape. And when I go to put the thrust tube on, I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. But this is what I'm going with right now. It is exiting the fuse. It'll go into the wing here. And this will be, of course, protected on the inside with aluminum foil tape to keep heat from escaping and to where I don't want it. And that's how I did this. This has a clip on it, and it will be taped in place. And the other side. So before you do all this work, check your servo leads to make sure they work, because once you put this in, it'd be really hard to pull the servo leads through there. Not saying you can't do it, it just won't be easy. So this is the rudder servo lead, and then the elevator servo lead runs through the same insulation up to the front, and then I looped it in, and put another extension onto this, and it goes through the fuse back here into the wing. So this one's just a straight shot, but if you found this video helpful at all, hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, and if you want to see more of it, turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.